Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have the BD005 Pro, and we're gonna compare it to other $50 popular ones here in this price range as well. So we have the Aria, we have the SSP, we also have the CKX, and also the KC2 as well. So as I mentioned in my review, the BD005 Pro is more of a IM diffuse field compensation. It's one of the closer ones for a hybrid as well. So of course, you know which one is for you. Let me know down in the comments below. Of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. It will help out the channel a lot. So let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna